Good morning, August 13th. Decided to walk out here to the truck and look at these problem areas on this paint. This morning after my birthday gathering, thank everybody that showed up. It's a little evidence of some form of discussion that went on out here last night. Anyway, some areas on this truck that needs some attention in the paint. I don't care if it looks brand new or not, but I don't want it to be rusted to pieces. I did a little test run on top of this fender here with a rattle can and some tape. It didn't scar molding up very bad. I know it has little lines in it, and as soon as it dries good, it's gonna look like tar. But it's mine. It's the way I'm gonna do it. Knock the big stuff off with the 80, knock it down with the 320, hit it with the acetone and a rag, put some tape on it, shoot it with whatever color it needs to be, black or the gray. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I may take some photos or a little video in between time as I'm going along. Right now, that's the plan. Smoke Damn It Tire Creek Ironworks out.